Hello everyone and welcome to LearnTech. In this video I'll show you how you can upgrade your Windows 10 computer to Windows 11 by using Windows 11 installation media or media creation tool. Before we start the installation of Windows 11, you need to check first if your computer satisfies Windows 11 system requirements. And in order to do that, you need to use this software which is called PC Health Check. In case that your computer does not satisfy the Windows 11 system requirements, you need to follow another way how you can upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11, and I have made a video about that and you can find the link on the description below. So after you checked if your computer satisfies Windows 11 requirements, then you need to go on Microsoft website and you have to scroll till you find create Windows 11 installation media and then you click over download now. I'll put the link on the description below and you can come directly on this page where you can download it. Once it's downloaded the executable file of media creation tool, you just double click over it, getting a few things ready, so this step will take some time. Now you have to accept Microsoft software license terms. You just have to click over accept. Then you have to select the language and edition. In case that you choose this button here which says use the recommended option for this PC, you don't have the possibility to choose the language and edition, but in case that you unselect this option here, you can choose the language that you want, but the edition will be by default Windows 11. It's preferred and it's recommended to choose the same language like you have in your computer. So I'll just select over use the recommended option for this PC and then I choose over next. Then you need to choose which media to use. If you want to install Windows 11 on another partition, you need to create and then run the media to install it. I'll choose ISO file and then I click over next. Now I have to specify where I will download the .iso file of Windows 11. It will take some time to download the ISO file. Now it's around 4%, but we will meet at the end when it is 100%. After the download process of Windows 11 ISO file is done, it will start another process which is called creating Windows 11 media. This will take also some time. After the download of Windows 11 ISO file, you will reach to this step which says burn the ISO file to a DVD, but actually you don't have to burn it on DVD, you just have to click over finish. After I finish the download phase of .iso file, I need to go to the folder where I extracted or saved the ISO file, and then I just double click over it, and then I have to go to setup.exe or executable file of Windows 11, and I just double click over it. And now the installation of Windows 11 will start, or let's say the upgrade of Windows 11 will start. Install Windows 11, I just click over next, getting updates. Then you'll need to accept the license terms, getting updates. The next step of installing Windows 11 will be to check if your PC has enough space. After you have cleaned up at least 10 GB of storage on your main drive, which could be C, then you will have the possibility to choose what do you want to keep on your computer. You can choose to have a clean installation of Windows 11 by choosing nothing, and in this way everything will be deleted including files, apps and settings. You can choose keep personal files and apps, or you can choose keep personal files only. I'll choose keep personal files and apps, and in this way I'll just do an upgrade of Windows 10 to Windows 11 and everything will remain on my computer. And after that I'll just click over next. The last step of Windows 11 setup is this one which says ready to install, and you'll install Windows 11 Pro, and we have chosen to keep personal files and apps, and then we just have to click over install and the installation of Windows 11 will start. It will take some time and some restarts, but at the end will be done. Thanks a lot for watching. That's all that I wanted to show to you guys. Wish to you all the best. Thank you.